Vanakkam. Welcome to our Adal Academy YouTube channel. In today's class, let us discuss about Biology NTA Model Paper 51 with detailed solutions. Those who are watching our YouTube channel, you are requested to like, subscribe and share to your friends. Let us discuss the question answers with one by one. Question number 1. It has been observed that colorless cells are modified from the adaxial epidermal cells of the leaf in the grasses near the veins. What are these modified cells called as? Bulliform cells spread around the leaf on the upper surface play a role for water storage. These cells assist during transpiration process to reduce water loss. During stress, these cells lose water causing the leaves to curl and prevent damage. They commonly found in the grasses. So the answer for this question is option B, bulliform cells. Question number 2. The below image represent a type of animal which belongs to the genus. The given diagram is of a common prawn belonging to the genus Palimon. This genus under the class of crustaceans having a chitin-based exoskeleton and joint appendages. They are part of the largest animal, phylum Arthropoda. Ascidia is a type of genus living in marine habitats coming under the subphylum Urochordata. Opura is an example of echinoderms. Limulus is called as king crab, also belong to the phylum Arthropoda. So the answer for this question is option B, Palimon. Question number 3. Observe the following graph and state the correct animal or plant group representing each bar. More than 15,500 species worldwide are facing the threat of extinction. Presently, 12% of all bird species, 23% of all mammal species, 32% of all amphibian species, and 31% of all gymnosperm species in the world face the threat of extinction. So the answer for this question is option B. The graph, first one represent amphibians, second one represent mammals, third one represent these birds, fourth one represent gymnosperms. So the correctly matching option is option B. Number 4. The following were the observations made for an infectious agent. Potato spindle tuber disease affects the potato plant where the tubers are malformed and stunt the growth of the plant. This disease caused by viroids which are smaller than virus and without any capsid covering of protein. It is basically a free floating single stranded RNA. So the answer for this question is option A, potato spindle tuber disease. Question number 5. Select the incorrect statement from the following. Here there are 4 statements are given. Within organism, there is a constant making and breaking of molecules via chemical reactions, and these reactions collectively are called metabolism. The turnover rate of molecules by different metabolic pathways in the metabolic flux and organisms remain in this that as it requires chemicals in certain fixed concentration. Since there are reactions or processes continuously being carried out, it is said that the living state is trying to prevent reaching equilibrium. If it reaches equilibrium, then all systems will shut down. Thus can be said that the living state and metabolism are synonymous. So the answer for this question is option D. All are correct. Question number 6. If the bioresource of an organization is accessed without authorization, it will come under. The unauthorized use or reproduction of work done of an individual or organization by some other will be deemed as piracy. When this piracy is done in regards to biological resources, it is termed as biopiracy. Many nations are taking steps to prevent the biopiracy and exploitation of traditional knowledge by other rich multinational companies. So the answer for this question is option A, biopiracy. Question number 7. Syam Prasad is a 34 years old priest at a temple. He is a pure vegetarian and has never consumed meat, egg or fishes. He complains of weakness, paleness and exhaustion. On his blood report, the erythrocytes are larger than normal. Which of these could be possible cause of this? Weakness, paleness and exhaustion are symptoms of anemia. In iron deficiency anemia, the size of erythrocytes will be smaller than the normal since hemoglobin is not formed. In malaria and sickle cell disease, There is anemia due to blood loss. It is generally called as hemolytic anemia. Deficiency of vitamin B12. It is generally called as cyanocobalamin, and folic acid causes immature RBC in the blood. Immature RBC are larger than mature RBCs. Also, deficiency of vitamin B12 is commonly found in vegetarians, as most of the dietary sources of this vitamin are animal products. So the answer for this question is option B, deficiency of cyanocobalamin. Question number 8. A person working in a spinning mill for several years is now experiencing difficulty in breathing. Which of the following can be the reason for the problem, assuming that this is a work related problem? Due to repeated injuries to the internal tissues caused by the inhalation of dust in the mill result in the development of scar tissue. This scar tissue formation is known as fibrosis. In it, the damaged cells or tissues get replaced by connective tissues, and unchecked lead to formation of permanent scar tissue. This causes breathing problems and respiratory disorders as the tissue loses flexibility. So the answer is option D, fibrosis of upper part of lung. Question number 9. During the meiotic division, at which stage the homologous chromosomes separate without the sister chromatids breaking apart? Meiosis is a reduction division process where the cell undergoes two successive division processes to reduce chromosomal number to half. It is divided into meiotic stage 1 and 2. Anaphase 1 is the part of meiotic stage 1, where the sister chromatids separate from its homologous counterpart. The chromatids centromere remains intact in this stage and do not separate. Their separation occurs in anaphase 2 in meiotic stage 2. So the answer is option C, anaphase 1. Question number 10. From the following, identify the restriction enzyme that is credited as the first one to be isolated. A restriction enzyme is a biocatalyst that can cut DNA at a specific part of the sequence, which is now termed as restriction sites. HIND2 is the first restriction enzyme that was extracted from Haemophilus influenzae RD strain 2. Thus, the enzyme got labeled as HIND2. So, the answer is option C, HIND2. Question number 11. Study the following statements regarding mitochondria and select incorrect ones. Mitochondria is an important organelle in eukaryotic cell, as it the center for conducting aerobic respiration. It is semi-autonomous, having its own circular double-stranded DNA with ribosome and RNA molecule for protein synthesis. The inner membrane of mitochondria is internally looped to form cristae. The mitochondria can replicate itself and increase the copies via fission process similar to the prokaryotic one. So the answer is option C. From the given four statements, first and third statement alone incorrect about mitochondria. Question number 12. Select the correct combination of gland to its hormone and function. Thyroxine from the thyroid gland helps in regulating the basal metabolic rate. Thyrocalcitonin from thyroid help in the decreasing calcium level in the blood and depositing it on bones. Oxytocin is secreted by the hypothalamus but stored and released by the posterior pituitary. It is also called birth hormone. Corpus luteum produces a small amount of estrogen but large amount of progesterone, which supports a pregnancy. So the correctly matching option is option C. The source gland is posterior pituitary. The name of the hormone vasopressin. Function stimulates reabsorption of water in the distal convoluted tubule of the nephron. Though that is the correct combination of gland to its hormone and function. Question number 13. Select the wrong option from the following. Here there are four options are given. Succus entericus is a name of intestinal juice secreted by the mucosal epithelium of small intestine. This juice has various enzymes like lipases, dipeptidases, nucleosidases, including dipeptidase nucleases that break the nucleic acid to nucleotides, are found in the pancreatic juice secreted by pancreas. So the answer is option C. Succus entericus, digestion of nucleic acid into nucleotides. So that is the wrong option from the given four options. Question number 14. Which of the following accounts for 50% of all total cost of various ecosystem services? As per ecological economist Robert Constanza, soil formation accounts for about 50% and contributions of other services like recreation and nutrient cycling are less than 10%, each from the total cost of various ecosystem services. Climate regulation and habitat for wildlife each cost approximately 6%. So the answer is option A, soil formation. Question number 15. Read the following statements and identify the incorrect one in regards to Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Gene migration or gene flow is one of the factors affecting Hardy-Weinberg principles when population is following the principle and staying in equilibrium. It is not evolving, thus the allele frequencies will not change throughout different generations. Gene migration is movement of species out of population or going into it causing change in the gene pool, thus breaking the equilibrium. Gene flow does not help in maintaining the equilibrium. So the answer is option B. Gene migration or gene flow is essential for maintenance of Hardy-Weinberg principle. That is the incorrect one in regards Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Question number 16. Select the statement that is incorrect for cortical nephron. Cortical nephron are found in the cortex region of kidney. They have short Henle's loop which extend very little into the medulla section. Other type of nephron is called as juxtamedullary nephron, which are larger in size and have long loop extending deep into the medulla. The glomerulus of these nephrons are placed close to the inner margin of the cortex. So the answer is option B. The glomeruli lie close to the inner margin of the cortex near medulla. Question number 17. From the following, the pathogen that will lead to the appearance of dry, scaly lesions on various parts of the body such as skin, nails, scalp, accompanied by intense itching is. Ringworm is a common disease in man caused by fungi belonging to the genera Microsporum, Trichophyton and Epidermophyton. The main symptoms include appearance of dry, scaly lesions on various parts of the body such as skin, nails and scalp. Intense itching is observed on the lesions. So the answer is option A, Microsporum. Question number 18. Below is the representation of an electrostatic precipitator. What do the labels A, B, C and D suggest? Electrostatic precipitator is widely used in the removing particulate matter from air. This device has electrodes wires B kept at several thousand volts that releases electrons by making a corona A. Dust particles get a net negative charge by attaching to these electrons. The collecting plates are grounded and attract the charged dust particles. The velocity of air is kept low to allow the dust to fall, ultimately cleaning the air. So the answer for this question is option A. Given diagram, A represent discharge corona, B negatively charged wire, C collection plate grounded, D dust particles. So the question number 19. The oogonial cells starts dividing and enter into dash of meiotic division and get temporarily arrested at that stage called dash. During oogenesis at puberty, this oocyte gets surrounded by granulosa cells and then called dash. During embryonic development in females, the oogonia enter meiosis 1 and get halted in the pactine stage of the prophase 1, the most prolonged phase of the cell cycle, and are called the primary oocyte. During puberty, the halted meiosis 1 continue to forms the secondary oocyte and start meiosis 2 that stops at metaphase 2. In the course of development, the primary oocyte is surrounded by granulosa cells which release estrogen and it is called primary follicle. During puberty, primary follicle matures and forms the Graafian follicles from which ovulation occurs. So the answer for this question is option B. From the given question, A filling with prophase 1, B is filling with primary oocyte, C is filling with primary follicle. Question number 20. What is the name of the bone that is not labeled? Tibia and fibula are part of the long bone found in the lower leg of the body. They connect the knee joint and ankle joint. The fibula is also called the calf bone, which is smaller of two It is connected to the tibia at the knee joint but excluded from the joint. It is part of the ankle joint projecting below tibia at the joint. So the answer for this question is option A, fibula, the name of the bone that is not labeled here. Question number 21. Biological treatment for sewage. Microbes are used for the reduction of the organic matter in the sewage water, which are held together by a fungal filament to form mesh-like structures. These are called as. In the wastewater treatment process, the primary effluent is passed into the aeration tank for the secondary treatment. This is also called as biological treatment. The aeration tanks are constantly agitated and the air is pumped. This allows for vigorous growth of aerobic microbes which help in the treatment. Such microbial growth is called flocs, which form a mesh due to the association of fungal filament with bacteria. So the answer for this question is option C, flocs. Question number 22. Determine the element from the following description. Magnesium is one of the macronutrients significant for plant growth and development. Magnesium activates the enzyme Rubisco and PEP carboxylase, which are important in photosynthesis and respiration process. It is a constituent of the green pigment chlorophyll and actively involved in making DNA and RNA. It is also required to maintain the integrity of ribosome. So the answer for this question is option B, magnesium. Question number 23. Chromosome 1 has dash genes and Y chromosome has dash genes. According to the Human Genome Project, the chromosome 1 has 2968 genes and Y chromosome has 321 genes. They are the maximum and minimum genes for the human chromosomes. So the correctly matching option is option D. 4. Which of these parts of the McCoy plant is incorrectly described? McCoy plant is generally called as Solanum nigrum or black nightshade, belong to the family Solanaceae. It has alternate simple leaves without stipules but with reticulate venation. They have 5 petals with valvate aestivation which are fused to each other. Their gynoecium has 2 carpels that are fused together. Thus the ovary has 2 locules and is also superior. There are many seeds in their fruit but all of them have endosperm. So the answer for this question is option D. Seeds, many seeds in a fruit without endosperm. That is the incorrectly described one about McCoy plant. Question number 25. Schwann cells with nodes of Ranvier and found in cranial nerves and spinal nerves from the peripheral nerve system. It has myelinated or medullary axons. Myelin sheath is deposited on the axons of peripheral nerve system by Schwann cells. Myelin sheath is deposited on the axons of central nerve system by oligodendrocytes. There is no myelin sheath in autonomic nerve system. So the answer for this question is option D. Medullary axons in the peripheral nerve system. Question number 26. Consider the following 4 conditions from 1 to 4 and select the correct pair of them as an adaptation to the environment in the desert lizards. The conditions are given here. Desert lizards lack the physiological ability to cope up with the high temperatures, hence they have to manage by showing certain behavioral activities. Burrowing in the soil when the temperature is high and basking in the sun when the temperature is low are shown as an adaptation. So the answer for this question is option B. So from the given 4 statements, first and third statement alone that correct about the adaptation to the environment in desert lizard. Question number 27. In C4 plants, the decarboxylation of C4 acid to produce C3 acid and carbon dioxide during photosynthesis occurs in C4 plants show 2 types of cells involved in dark reaction process. It is generally called as Kranz anatomy, such as mesophyll cells and bundle seed cells. The light dependent reaction of photosynthesis occurs in mesophyll cells and the light independent in the bundle sheath cells. The oxaloacetic acid formed in mesophyll cell is transferred to bundle sheath, which is decarboxylated to release carbon dioxide to be used in dark reaction. So the answer is option C, bundle sheath. Question number 28. Observe the following pedigree. Which of these diseases could it represent? Hypertrichosis is a Y-linked disorder. This is transmitted from the father to son. In this pedigree, it is not so Myotonic dystrophy is an autosomal dominant disorder. Two parents not suffering from this disease cannot produce diseased children. At least one parent should have dominant allele, means at least one parent should have the disease. This pedigree represent recessive condition. Cystic fibrosis is a autosomal recessive and color blindness is X-linked recessive disease. Since it is skipping a generation, that is going from father to grandson via the carrier daughter. It is most likely to be X-linked recessive disorder is color blindness. So the answer for this question is option A, color blindness. Question number 29. Read the following statements and determine the incorrect one. Angiosperms release the pollen in two-celled stage having vegetative and generative cell. The generative cell later divide into forming the two male gametes. These gametes will participate in the characteristic double fertilization process giving rise to zygote and primary endosperm nucleus. So the answer for this question is option A. When pollen is shed at two-celled stage, single fertilization takes place. So that is the incorrect one. Question number 30. Select the combination with the correct match for tissue or parts of the future. Xylem parenchyma are the part of the xylem tissue where this is the living part of the tissue complex. Xylem parenchyma helps in storage of food material like starch and tannins. Sclerites are the type of sclerenchymatous tissue which is made up of dead lignified cells. They have narrow lumen and thick walls absorbed in fruit walls of nut. Phloem parenchyma is made up of elongated tapering cylindrical cells which help with storage of food and other things. These are found to be absent in most of the monocots. Xylem vessels are another part of the xylem which are made up of dead lignified cells. They appear cylindrical, long tube-like structure. So the correctly matching option is option C. Question number 31. The vertebrate Myxin has been classified under the division of phylum Chordata. Myxin, it is generally called as hagfish, is a jawless vertebrate which is classified under the class Cyclostomata under the division superclass of Agnatha. All living members of the class Cyclostomata are ectoparasites on some fishes. Other examples include Petromyzon. So the answer for this question is option C, Agnatha. 2. Mango, a popular fruit of India, is found with many variations in flavors, colors, fiber content, sugar content, including shelf life. What can be the reason for such huge variation? When a species or organism group show high diversity at genetic level in its distribution range comes under the genetic diversity. Indian species like mango and rice who have more than 1000 and 50,000 types. Ecological diversity is the variation in the different ecosystem types found in the given geographical area. India has lots of varieties like wetlands, mangroves, coral reefs. So the answer for this question is option C, genetic diversity. Question number 33. Formation of plasmodium under suitable condition is observed in. Slime molds are saprophytic protists. The body moves along decaying twigs and leaves engulfing organic material under suitable conditions. They form an aggregation called plasmodium which may grow and spread over several feet. During unfavorable conditions, the plasmodium differentiate and forms fruiting bodies bearing spores at their tips. So the answer is option C, slime molds. Question number 34. Select the statement that is correctly relatable with DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid is a double-stranded molecule where the two strands run anti-parallel to each other. Phosphate and sugar molecules form the backbone of the structure. Through phosphodiester bond, the ends in the strand of each nucleotide face towards the inner side and attached to the other strand by hydrogen bonding. DNA has four types of nitrogenous bases and is a heteropolynucleotide of these nucleotides. So the answer for this question is option C. N bases projected more or less perpendicular to backbone and faces inside. So that is the correct relatable with DNA. Question number 35. Select the statement that are incorrect regarding Bt toxin. Here there are four statements are given. Bt toxin is produced in its inactive form by the prokaryotic bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis. The toxin is a insecticidal protein which becomes active when comes in contact with insect gut digestive juices. So the answer for this question is option A. All except second and fourth statement incorrect regarding Bt toxin. Question number 36. How many oxygen molecules can a single molecule of hemoglobin transport at a time? Hemoglobin is a protein molecule found in the red blood cells which helps in carrying the oxygen. It imparts the red color to the blood. It is made up of 4 chains of 2 alpha and 2 beta chains of polypeptide. Hemoglobin binds to oxygen and forms oxyhemoglobin. This molecule can carry 8 atoms of oxygen at a time, that is 4 molecules. So the answer for this question is option B, 8. Question number 37. In which of the following cartilaginous ring support will not be absorbed? Cartilaginous ring structures are found in the tubes of the respiratory system to prevent its collapse. It is present in the trachea, 2 initial branches of bronchi along with the secondary and tertiary bronchi. The initial bronchioles also have it. The terminal bronchioles are not having any rings and they gives rise to number of things vascularized structures called as alveoli. The terminal bronchi is also called as the respiratory bronchioles. So the answer is option D, respiratory bronchioles. Question number 38. Enzyme recombinase has a significant role during the gamete formation. In which phase is it active? The crossing over process occurring in the meiotic division is an enzyme mediated process. The enzyme involved is recombinase participate in the process of crossing over during the pactin stage of the prophase 1. So the answer is option A, prophase 1. Question number 39. The organelle that will regulate the osmotic expansion of a cell depending on the surrounding water potential. Vacuoles are large organelles found in the plant cells. Vacuoles have a membrane, it is generally called as chloroplast, that surrounds it. This organelle help plant cell with storage of plant products and also water. Since it can store water, it provides structural support to the cell and also regulates the osmotic expansion and contraction. So the answer is option B, vacuoles. Question number 40. Determine the correct match for the given columns. Parathormone secreted by parathyroid help in removing minerals from bone. Its hyperactivity will make bones weaker due to demineralization. Oxytocin is necessary for the release of milk from the nipples during lactation process. Aldosterone is a steroidal hormone produced by the adrenal cortex which help in maintaining salt balance in kidney, sweat glands and even salivary glands. Luteinizing hormone secreted by pituitary gland is promotes and maintains corpus luteum which in turn secretes. So the correct option is B. Question number 41. For an ecosystem, the two main structural features are: the basic structural and functional unit of ecology is an ecosystem which is made up of abiotic and biotic components. There is a characteristic physical structure within each ecosystem due to the interaction of abiotic and biotic components. Species composition and stratification form the two main structural features of an ecosystem. For any ecosystem to function and sustain, solar energy supply is a basic requirement. So the answer for this question is option A. From the given 4 statements, first and fourth statement are the structural features of ecosystem. Question number 42. Select the correct combination of materials which make up the 0.1% impurities of wastewater composition. Wastewater has 99.9% water and 0.1% waste including suspended solids and dissolved materials. Small solid particles are referred as suspended solids remains in suspension in water due to the motion of water. It includes sand, silt and clay. Waster part also has colloidal particles including non-settlable organic matter, cloth, paper, small particles of decayed plant material. So the correctly matching option is B. Question number 43. Which of the following species is probably vegetarian with a brain capacity between 650 to 800 cc? Homo habilis is considered the first human-like hominid in the evolution of man. It had the brain volume 650 to 800 cc and mostly did not consume meat. It is also known as handyman as they were found to use stone tools. So the answer is option C, Homo habilis. Question number 44. Select the correct statement with respect to disease. Cells stimulate B cells for the production of antibodies. Antibodies helps to destroy bacteria. B cells and T cells carry receptor molecule that recognize specific target non-self target such as a pathogen only after antigens, that is a small fragments of the pathogen, have been processed. So the answer is option C. If B and T lymphocytes are destroyed due to unknown reason, the body will not able to produce antibodies against a pathogen. This is a correct statement with respect to disease. Question number 45. In case of mammals, testes are found in scrotal sacs outside the viscera because in man, both testes normally remain suspended in a pouch called scrotum outside the abdominal cavity. This keeps the testes at a cooler temperature than the body temperature, about 2 degrees below. This is essential for the maintenance and function of the spermatogenic tissue of the testis. Testis descend in the scrotal sacs when fetus is about 7 months old and occurs under the influence of follicle stimulating hormone and testosterone. So the answer is option A. Spermatogenesis requires a lower temperature. Question number 46. That is not related to osteoarthritis. Gradual decreases in the bone mass can lead to the loss of bone cells at the joints. The outer covering cartilage at the joint is reduced, leading to the inflammation and pain, which is called osteoarthritis. This can happen due to age or due to regular wear and tear. Sometimes accumulation of uric acid and joints lead to the inflammation. Such inflammation and pain is called gout. So the answer is option D. It is caused due to excessive formation of uric acid. Question number 47. Select the statement correctly relates to biogas and sewage treatment process. Once BOD of sewage or wastewater is reduced significantly, the effluent is then passed into the setting tank where the bacterial flocks are allowed to the sediment. This sediment is called activated sludge. A small part of the activated sludge is pumped back into the aeration tank to serve as the inoculum. This inoculum serves as a rich source of aerobic bacteria. The remaining major part of the sludge is pumped into the large tanks called anaerobic sludge digesters. Here, other kinds of bacteria which grows anaerobically digest the bacteria and fungi in the sludge. During this digestion, bacteria produce a mixture of gases such as methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. These gases form biogas and can be used as source of energy as it is inflammable. So the answer is option A. Settlement tank of the sewage treatment plant is a rich source of aerobic bacteria. Question 8. On translation, mRNA produces a polypeptide chain which contains 50 amino acids. If 26th codon of mRNA U mutated and changed to UUC, then the polypeptide chain will be codon U and UUC, both codes for amino acid phenylalanine. Hence, polypeptide chain will not change. So the answer is option C, not changed. Question number 49. Which of the following represent the floral characters of Liliaceae? The flower family Liliaceae complete, actinomorphic, trimerous, hypogynous, and the gynoecium is tricarpellary, syncorpus having superior ovary with axial placentation. So the answer is option C, trimerous, actinomorphic, polyandrous, superior ovary, axial placentation. Question number 50. In the limbic system, we will find the limbic system found within the brain is generally associated with emotion, learning, memory, and motivation. It generally said to be the brain of the brain. The parts involved in the structure are amygdala and the hippocampus, found in the anterior and medial section of temporal lobe. So the answer is option B. First and third statements. 51. Approximately how much percent of insects are phytophagus? Phytophagus are generally called as herbivore predators, are those insects which feed on trees. This group comprise nearly 25% of the total insect population. They consume the plant sap. Plants have various ways to overcome the predation of phytophagus as plants cannot run away. Thorns, chemicals are ways to keep insect attack at bay. So the answer is option B. There are 25% of insects are phytophagus. Question number 52. The chemiosmotic coupling hypothesis of oxidative phosphorylation process that adenosine triphosphate is formed because the production of ATP with the help of energy liberated during oxidation of a reduced coenzyme and terminal oxidation is called oxidative phosphorylation. Peter Mitchell in the year of 1961 put forward a hypothesis known as chemiosmotic hypothesis for ATP synthesis. According to this, when the electrons flow from dual proton electron carrier to a non-hydrogen carrier, that is H plus, are released and expelled into the intermembrane space and thus create a proton gradient with higher concentration of H plus in the intermembranous space than the matrix. Due to proton motive force, the protons flow back and the energy liberated during this backflow of protons activate ATPase present in F1 head to synthesize ATP. So the answer is option C. A proton gradient forms across the inner membrane. Also suffering from phenylketonuria, like an enzyme required for the conversion of. Phenylketonuria is an autosomal recessive disorder. The affected individuals lacks an enzyme that converts the amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. As a result of this, phenylalanine is accumulated and converted into phenylpyruvic acid and other derivatives. Accumulation of these in brains result in mental retardation. These are also excreted through urine because of its poor absorption by the kidney. So the answer is option B, phenylalanine to tyrosine. Question number 54. With respect to the sheet diagram given below, choose the option with correct labeling. In the given diagrammatic representation, A is a seed coat, B represent cotyledon, C represent shoot apical meristem, D represent hypocotyl root axis, E represent root tip, F represent endosperm. So according to the labeling, the option D is correctly matching. B represent cotyledon, D represent hypocotyl root axis. That alone correctly labeled. Question number 55. Consider two plots where plot X is having less species compared to plot Z. Select the true statement regarding X and Z. Biodiversity can be said to be the measure of the complexity of interactions between organisms and the ecosystem. The greater the number of species result in more interactions, which supports biodiversity. Also helps an ecosystem or a habitat to survive and adapt to environmental stress. This will increase the biomass of the particular ecosystem, thus making productivity high. Hence the plot Z will have more productivity than plot X. So the answer is option D. Plot Z has more productivity than plot X. Question number 56. Which of the following is involved in a sexual mode of reproduction? Zygospore is a reproductive stage of fungi and many protists which is in diploid stage. Zygospore are formed in the zygosporangia of fungi and involved in sexual reproduction process. Phycomyces show the formation of zygospore formed by the fusion of gametes. So the answer is option D, zygospore. Question number 57. Which of the following is an example of unicellular glandular cells? Some of the columnar or cuboidal cells get specialized for secretion and are called as glandular epithelium. They are mainly of two types. Unicellular, consisting of isolated glandular cells, that is example goblet cells of the alimentary canal, and multicellular, consisting of cluster of cells, example salivary gland. So the answer is option B, glandular cells of alimentary canal. Question number 58. What is the requirement for having sampling ports in a bioreactor? Bioreactor is an equipment that helps in producing the desired biological products in higher quantities. Bioreactors are designed to facilitate optimum environment for microbial growth. These reactors having sampling ports which help in withdrawing small amount of growing culture to check for any issues in the production. Bioreactors are the part of the upstream processing. So the answer is option A, withdrawing small volume of culture periodically. Question number 59. What kind of filaments of cilia and flagella composed of? Hair-like outgrowths of cell membrane or the cilia and flagella, where cilia is shorter in length and more in count compared to flagella. Studies have shown that their core, namely axoneme, is surrounded by plasma membrane. The axoneme is made up of microtubules which are arranged in a cyclic manner with 9 doublets at periphery and a pair in the center. So the answer for this question is option A, microtubules. Question number 60. Following are events taking place for blood glucose regulation. When the blood glucose level goes down, glycogen is secreted by the alpha cells of pancreas. Glucagon signals the liver to break down glycogen to glucose and release it into the bloodstream, thus bringing the level of glucose back to the normal. So the answer for this question is option C, the fourth one. Question number 61. In how many trophic levels can human function in a food chain? Humans feed on vegetables and fruits, so they can be called primary consumers at a trophic level T2. Some humans also consume herbivorous animals such as goat and lamb, so the humans can be called secondary consumers, trophic level 3. Humans also consume fishes such as salmon, which are carnivorous animals, so human can be tertiary consumers, so that is T4. So the answer for this question is option B. 3 trophic levels can humans function in a food chain. Question number 62. Geostrophyllum is an ancestor of the evolution pathway of lycopods is chlorophyte ancestors, trichophyte ancestors, Geostrophyllum, lycopods, bryophytes are evolved directly from the chlorophyte ancestors. The evolution pathway of ferns and ginkgos is chlorophyte ancestors, trichophyte ancestors, rhinia type ancestors, xylophyton. So the answer is option B, lycopods. Question number 63. The patient is given an antivenom injection for snake bite is a classic example of the immunity process where the body is not spending energy or effort in making antibodies rather obtained from outside as a ready-made is termed as passive immunity. Antivenom injection contains performed injection which is directly injected into the body giving a quick immune response. Since the antibodies are directly given and not made in the body, antivenom treatment is considered as a passive immunity. So the answer is option B, passive immunity. Question number 64. During the initial days of lactation, the milk produced is termed as lactation is the process of releasing milk from the breast which helps the mother to feed the baby. The initial milk secretion is called colostrum and it contains several antibodies resistance development in the baby. So the answer is option A, colostrum. In eukaryotes, RNA polymerase II transcribes. There are at least polymerases in the nucleus. In addition to the RNA polymerase found in the organelles, there is a clear-cut division of labor. The RNA polymerase I transcribes ribosomal RNAs, which includes 28S, 18S, and 5.8S, whereas the RNA polymerase III is responsible for transcription of tRNA, 5S and small nuclear RNAs. The RNA polymerase II transcribes precursors of messenger RNA, the heterogeneous nuclear RNA. It is generally called as hnRNA. So the answer is option B, the precursor of mRNA. Question number 66. Sweet potato shows homology to. Potato is a tuber that is an underground modification of stem. Ginger is a rhizome that is also an underground modification of stem. Colocasia is a corm that is also underground modification of stem. Maize has stilt root that is an adventitious root modified for support. Sweet potato is an adventitious root modified for the storage of food. So the answer is option D, maize. Question number 67. Apical dominance can be removed by. Apical dominance is the phenomena where the new shoot is developed at the apex and inhibits the growth of the lateral buds. Decapitation is a process where the shoot tip is cut to inhibit the apical dominance and promotes the lateral growth of buds. So the answer is option B, decapitation. Question number 68. On which of the following is the artificial system of classification based? Artificial system of classification based on the gross morphological and sexual characteristics and it gave equal weightage to the classification. They were able to separate closely related species. So the answer is option D. Both A and B are the following statements. Artificial system of classification based. Question number 69. Sickle cell anemia is caused by the substitution mutation at the sixth position of hemoglobin due to this mutation. Sickle cell anemia is an autosomal linked recessive trait disorder. It is controlled by single allele HBS. The defect arises as the amino acid valine, it is a neutral amino acid, replaces the normal chain amino acid glutamic acid, that is acid amino acid, at the sixth position of the hemoglobin's beta chain. This change takes place due to the single base substitution of the 6th codon for beta globin gene. So the answer is option D. Acid amino acid is replaced by neutral amino acid. Question number 70. The action of RU486. Medical termination of pregnancy is process to terminate or abort a successful pregnancy. The drug RU486, it is generally called as mifepristone, is a pill when consumed works as a anti-progesterone and blocks the effect of progesterone. It also promotes uterus contraction and eases the opening of cervix. So the answer is option B. It is antagonistic to estrogen. Question number 71. The electron transport chain, the cytochrome where the terminal oxidation takes place is. The energy within NADH2 and FADH2 are released by oxidizing them through an electron transport system. The system has four complexes via which the high energy electron is passed, ultimately accepted by oxygen. Each complex has a set of pigments. The last complex, complex 4, has the pigment cytochrome and A3, where cytochrome A3 is last cytochrome in the electron transport system. So the answer is option B, cytochrome A3. Question number 72. What is the approximate diameter of pollen grain in nanometers? Pollen grain represent the male gametophyte with two layers. The outer one is exine and the inner layer is called as intine. The exine is made up of sporopollenin. The average diameter for typical angiosperm pollen grain is about 25 to 50 micrometers. That is 25,000 to 50,000 nanometers. So the answer is option D, 25,000 to 50,000 in nanometers. Question number 73. Which of the following diseases are a mismatch? Some of the diseases caused by fungi are rust, example, brown rust of wheat, red rot of sugarcane, and late blight of potato; by bacteria, black rot of crucifers; and by viruses, tobacco mosaic, turnip mosaic, etc. So the answer is option A, bacteria, black rot of crucifers, and late blight of potato. This is mismatched one. Question number 74. According to the ABO system, the commonest blood group in the human population is X, while rarest blood group is Y. If the wife has X blood group and the husband has Y blood group, their children will have which of the following blood groups? According to ABO system, the commonest blood group is human population is O, while the rarest blood group is AB. ABO blood group is controlled by gene I and its types are I power A, I power B and I power O. Wife has AB blood group, so our genotype is I power A and I power B. Husband has O blood group, so the genotype is I power O, I power O. Thus their children could have either I power A, I power O, that is A blood group, or I power B or I power O, B blood group. So the answer is option C, A and B blood groups only. Question number 75. Cockroaches are a type of insects belonging to the phylum Arthropoda, and these are dioecious. Their body is divided into segments and further into larger parts. Both male cockroach and female cockroach have abdomen that has how many segments? Cockroach, a common insect, shows the future of Arthropoda of being segmented and having appendages. The cockroach body is divisible into three major parts: head, thorax and abdomen. The head of the cockroach has 6 fused segments and the abdomen is made up of 10. Even though cockroach being dioecious, male and female separate organisms, the segmentation of 3 parts is same. Abdomen in both female and male consists of 10 segments each, thus making row 1 the right answer. So the answer is option A. In citrus, apomictic embryos are observed which arise from. Apomixis is the phenomenon of developing seeds without fertilization. There are several routes taken by different plants to produce apomictic embryos. In the citrus and mango group, cells surrounding the embryo sac participate in seed making without fertilization. These cells are the maternal sporophytic tissues around the embryo sac. So the answer is option C, maternal sporophytic tissue in ovule. Question number 77. Match the organisms to their respective classes. Rhizopus, Ustilago, Aspergillus and Colitotrichum are the all type of fungi belonging to the class Phycomycetes, Basidiomycetes, Ascomycetes and Deuteromycetes respectively. Ustilago is a commonly known as must. Is option B. The correctly matching option is B. Question number 78. Which of the following describes the elution process correctly for genetic engineering that follows get electrophoresis? After the completion of gel electrophoresis, the DNA sequence need to amplify by PCR to obtain the DNA sequence from the gel. The separated bands are cut and then sequence is extracted. This process is called elution. So the answer is option B. The separated band from DNA are cut out from the gel and extracted from the gel piece is called elution. Question number 79. Correctly match the column 1 with column 2. Parthenocarpic fruits are developed without any fertilization of the ovary. These fruits are seedless. Seedless banana is an example. In monocot seeds, the large shield-shaped cotyledon is known as scutellum. The endosperm is covered by a proteinaceous layer called as alluron layer that separates the endosperm from the embryo and nourishes it. The attachment of seeds leaves as a scar on a seed called hilum. So the answer is option B. The correctly matching one is option B. Question number 80. Which of the following is incorrect regarding the function of gibberellins? Gibberellins are the group of hormones which promote plant growth. Gibberellic acid was the first discovered gibberellin and most widely used. It can be used to hasten the maturity period of juvenile conifers by spraying on it and enabling early seed formation. So the answer for this question is option B. Spraying juvenile conifers with gibberellic acid delays the maturity period, thereby delaying their seed production. So that is the incorrect statement regarding gibberellin. Question number 81. In bryophyte, the main plant body will be. Gametophytic generation is the dominant phase in life cycle of bryophytes. The main plant body of bryophyte is found to be haploid, and since they produce gametes are called gametophyte. They do not produce diploid sporophyte, which is attached and dependent on gametophyte for nourishment. So the answer is option A, haploid and produces gamete. Question number 82. To determine the heterozygous condition of an individual, it is crossed with the homozygous recessive counterpart. Such a cross is known as. A test cross is a process to examine and identify whether the organism is heterozygous or not. In it, the organism are crossed with the recessive homozygous as it will remain ensure the expression of the dominant character in heterozygous form for F1 generation, enabling us to know the zygosity. So the answer is option C, test cross. Question number 83. Select the incorrect pair. Produced inside the sporangia, which are non-motile spores. The wind is used for the dispersal. New mycelium is produced on getting germinated. Example, rhizopus, mucor, etc. In Chlamydomonas and Eulothrix, zygospores are absorbed, which are motile. Hence, that is the mismatched pair. So the answer is option C, Chlamydomonas, Eulothrix. The mode of multiplication is sporangiospore. That is the incorrect pair. Question number 84. Which of the following is incorrect regarding the figure shown below? The given image is a IUD which is inserted into the uterus. This device is used as a contraception to prevent implantation and avoid pregnancy. It may suppresses the motility of the sperm to inhibit fertilization. So the answer is option D. It decreases phagocytosis of sperms and makes uterus suitable for implantation. So that is the incorrect statement regarding the given diagram. Question number 85. Which of the following minerals is used in the activation of enzyme responsible for respiration and photosynthesis? Enzymes are biocatalysts which speeds up the reaction on the process. It is absorbed by plants in the form of divalent magnesium 2+. It activates the enzymes of respiration, photosynthesis and are involved in the synthesis of DNA and RNA. Magnesium is a constituent of the ring structure of chlorophyll and helps to maintain the ribosome structure. So the answer is option B, Mg2. Question number 86. How many nuclei are present in a fully developed male gametophyte? The pollen grain is generally released in two-celled stage in angiosperms. The two cells are generative and vegetative cells. The generative cell later undergoes division and form two male gametes. The mature fully developed fertilization ready for pollen grain has 3 nuclei in it after the division of a generative cell? So the answer is option C, 3. Question number 87. Which of these epithelia does not help in secretion and absorption? The squamous epithelium helps in filtration and diffusion. It does not help in secretion and absorption. Cuboidal epithelium and columnar epithelium help in secretion and absorption. Cuboidal epithelium in thyroid and nephrons help in absorption. Columnar cells in stomach and intestine are also helpful in absorption and excretion. So the answer is option A. Simple squamous epithelium does not help in secretion and absorption. Question number 88. The order for the Felidae and Canidae is dash, while Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae come under the order dash. Felidae comprises the cats and Canidae includes the dogs. These two family ranks come under the same order, carnivore, as both of these are predatory and carnivore. Based on the floral patterns and characteristics, family groups of Solanaceae and Convolvulaceae have the same order. The order rank is polymoniales. So the answer is option B, carnivora and polymoniales. Question number 89. Which statement relate correctly for imbibition and osmosis? Osmosis is the process of movement of solvent molecule from the region of its high concentration to low concentration through semi-permeable membrane. Imbibition is a process of absorption that follows the principle of diffusion. The water is absorbed with the direction resulting in swelling of the cell. So the answer is option A. Water movement is along concentration gradient. Question number 90. The percentage proportion of homozygous parents in F2 generation of a monohybrid class is dash. The percentage proportion of homozygous parent in F2 generation of dihybrid class is. In a monohybrid class, there are 2 homozygous parents out of total 4 offsprings. Thus, their proportion is 50%. In dihybrid class, there are 2 homozygous parents out of total 16 offsprings. Thus, their proportion is 12.5%. So, the answer is option B, is greater than. Thank you very much for listening our videos. Those who are watching our videos, you are requested to like, subscribe and share to your friends.